Ever wondered what the world eats? Let's embark on a culinary journey around the globe. Picture this, a world where every dish tells a story, where every bite is a new adventure. From the bustling street markets of Asia to the fine dining establishments of Europe, we're diving into the heart of global cuisine. We'll uncover the unique flavors, the rich histories, and the culinary secrets that make each dish special. So, strap on your apron, ignite your passion for food, and get ready to tantalize your taste buds with some of the world's most loved dishes. Our first stop is Italy, the birthplace of pasta. Just imagine, this humble dish of flour and water has conquered the world's kitchens. But what makes pasta so special? It's all about simplicity and versatility. From the intricate shapes of fusilli and farfalle to the classic strands of spaghetti, each variety is a testament to Italian ingenuity. The heart of traditional Italian pasta lies in its main ingredients, the highest quality durum wheat, fresh eggs, and a dash of Italian love. It's not just a meal, it's a cultural symbol, a culinary masterpiece that has been passed down through generations. So, next time you enjoy your spaghetti or lasagna, remember, you're savoring a piece of Italy's rich culinary heritage. Next, we journey to India, the land of spices and curries. Indian curry, a symphony of spices, is a testament to the country's culinary prowess. It is as complex and diverse as India itself, with regional variations painting a rich, delectable canvas. From the fiery vindaloo of Goa to the creamy korma of North India, each curry tells a tale of traditions and tastes. Key ingredients like turmeric, cumin, coriander, and garam masala create a melody of flavors that is distinctively Indian. This culinary marvel is not merely a dish, it's a cultural icon, a celebration of India's vibrant heritage and the warmth of its people. If you're a fan of spices and flavors, Indian curry promises an unforgettable gastronomic experience. From the Mediterranean to the subcontinent, our culinary journey has only just begun. It's a wide, delicious world out there, just waiting to be tasted. It's all about immersing yourself in the flavors and aromas, savoring the heartwarming pasta of Italy or the explosion of spices in an Indian curry. But the adventure doesn't stop at your taste buds. Preparing these dishes at home, or better yet, traveling to these countries to experience the food culture firsthand, is a journey in itself. It's about understanding the people, their traditions, their way of life, all through their food. Because food, in its essence, is a reflection of culture. So let's continue to explore the world, one dish at a time. Let's appreciate the diversity and richness that different cultures bring to our plates. Remember, every dish tells a story. So keep exploring, keep tasting, and let your palate be the guide to your next adventure. Bon appétit!